Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel EXP22 Excel Chapter 8 Cumulative Assessment Employee Satisfaction. We go to the instruction file. So my title is EXP22 Excel Chapter 8 Cumulative Assessment Employee Satisfaction. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, and other courses. We go to the question number one. So question number one is start Excel, download and open the file name EXP22 Excel Chapter 8 Cumulative Assessment Employee Certification. Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is ensure the employee certification worksheet is active. Then use the frequency function to calculate the frequency distribution of job certification in the column D. Place your result in the range G5 to G9. Go to the cell G5 and insert the frequency function. Type is equal to type the frequency function and type the range is the select the range job certification D4 to D53 like commas and second range is the certification score F5 to F9 close bracket press enter button. So apply the frequency function. Question number 2 is a complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is enter a function in a cell G12 to calculate the standard deviation of column C. Insert the function is a standard deviation column C in a cell G12. Select the cell is G12 and insert the standard deviation function. Type is equal to and type the standard function and select the ranges C4 to C53 is the salary column. Close bracket, press enter button. So question number 3 is complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is enter a function in a cell G13, calculate the variance between the salary. Insert the variance function is a cell G3. Select the cell is G13. Type is equal to and type the variance function and range is a salary range C4 to C53. Click a close bracket, press enter button. So apply the various function in a cell G13. So question number 4 is a complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is a enter a function in a cell G40 to calculate the covariance of the salaries and job certification in the datasets. Now note this is the sample of a data or not population. Enter a function in a cell G14. Select the cell as G14 covariance function and salaries and job certification in the dataset. Select the cell as G14 and insert the covariance function. Type is equal to and type the covariance function. And of the salary and job certification dataset. Covariance is a range is a C4 to C53 commas and job certification column is a D4 to D53. Click a close bracket, press enter button. So the apply the covariance function in the cell G14. Question number 5 is a complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is a enter a function in the cell F70 to calculate the correlation coefficient between employee salaries and jobs. Insert the correl function in the cell F17 implies the salaries and job certification. Select the cell as F17 correlation column is F17 and apply the correlation coefficient between the employee salaries and job certification. Type is equal to and type the correl function and select the ranges salary column C4 to C53 commas and second edge is the job certification D4 to D53. Click a close bracket, press enter button. So apply the correl function in a cell F17. Question number 6 is the complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is a ensure the data analysis toolpack and in its active choose the data analysis toolpath to create the histogram based on the salary column C. Use the range I4 to I9 as the bin range. Ensure that a cumulative percentage column label and chart output are included in the result. Place the result in a cell K4. Added the result text in a cell K4. Display the salary if necessary. Ensure the data analysis toolpath adds in is active and use the data analysis toolpath to create a histogram on the salary column C. Go to the data tab and go to the data analyze group and create a histogram. Click OK. And toolpath to create the histogram based on the salary column C. Use the range I4 to I9 as the bin range. Ensure the cumulative percentage column label and chart output include the result. Place the result in the cell K4 and edit the result text in the cell K4 and display the salaries. Input range is a input range is a C3 to C53 range. Salary column and bin range is a I4 to I9. Bin range is a I4 to I9 and cumulative percentage column label and chart output include in the result. Select the label and output option. Click the output range. So output range is a K4. Select the cell is K4 and include the cumulative percentage and chart output. Click OK. So create a histogram chart and apply the autofit column, column L and column M. So question number 7 is a complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is a ensure the office data worksheet is active. Use the data analysis toolpath to perform a single factor ANOVA on the range C5, C3 to E35. Place the result starting in a cell G3. Be sure to include the column label. Resize column G2M. Go to the Excel worksheet. Go to the data tab. Click data analysis and create a ANOVA single factor. Click OK. And single factor ANOVA on the range is C3 to E35. Place the result starting cell in the G3. Input range is a C3 to E35. Go to the office data worksheet. Office data worksheet is active. Use the data analysis toolpath. Perform. Go to the data analysis and single factor ANOVA. Click OK. And input range is a C3 to E35. Input range is a C3 to E35. And range is a include the C3 and check the label, include the column label and receive the column G to M. Check the label in the first row and output range is a output range in the cell G3. G3, click OK. So the result is a single ANOVA factor. Be sure to include the column label, resize the column G M needed. Apply the autofit column G H I J K L and M. So question number 8 is complete.